Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change the user interface color on Microsoft in software. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open in Microsoft Office software. I am opening PowerPoint. When you open it, click on account and there you can see Office theme. Then there you can see 5 options: colorful, dark gray, black, white. Use system settings. We can try these 5 options. Let's see colorful. It's also same to the default color, and let's try dark gray. You can see it is gray color. Now try black. So you can see now this is black color, and there you can see white, and you can use system settings also. It means you can use their color as your PC theme color. Make sure that if you haven't signed in with a Microsoft account, sometimes you have to go to each software and change the theme color. If you have already signed in with the Microsoft account, you don't want to go to each and change the color. It will automatically change the color. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for get notification about my new videos.